Complete guide to credit card cash withdrawal charge. Credit card are an inter part of financial management, offering more than just the convenience of purchase. One of their additional benefits is the option to withdraw cash when needed. However, credit card cash withdrawal comes with specific terms that you must understand, from withdrawal limits and transaction fees to applicable interest rate. It's curricular to be well informed before opting for this feature. Understanding a comprehensive breakdown of these charges helps you make informed decision when using your credit card for cash withdrawal. Cash withdrawal charges. When assessing cash through credit card, it is important to understand that this service is no fee. Financial institution levy specific fees for cash withdrawals made using credit card. These fees might vary depending on the card type a consumer holders. Among the common fees are cash withdrawal fees, transaction fees, and foreign currency. Transaction fees is to meet the diverse needed and is spending habits of different customer segments. Being aware of these charges helps make an informed decision when choosing a credit card and using its cash withdrawal features. What is a credit card cash advance fee? A credit card cash advance fee is the charges levied when you withdraw cash using your credit card, unlike regular transactions. Withdrawing cash comes with immediate fees, which are typical a percentage of the withdrawn amount, ranging from 2.5% to 3.5%. Additionally, the cash advance does not benefit from the interest fees period applicable to regular purchases. Interest starts uh, occurring from the day of withdrawal. It's essential to consider these costs before using your credit card for cash advance to avoid unnecessary expenses. Also read credit card 6 reason why you should have a credit card. Types of cash withdrawal charges. Credit card cash withdrawal charges vary as per bank and card type. Generally, these charges include: number one, flat fee per transaction, a fixed amount charged per cash withdrawal. Number two, percentage of withdrawal amount, a variable fees based on the amount withdrawn. Number three, ATM users fees, additional charges by the ATM bank. Immediate interest charge, interest from the time of withdrawal. Foreign transaction fees, additional fees for withdrawal in a foreign country. Bank specific charge, unique fees based on the bank policies. For example, for Axis Bank Select credit card, the cash withdrawal fee is 2.5% of the withdrawn amount, subject to a minimum of 500 every time your withdrawal cash protein goes toward this fees. Additionally, there are finance charges of 3.6% a month, equivalent to 52.86% per annum on retail purchases and cash withdrawal. These charges highlight the cost associated with the conversion of instant cash SSEs and underscore the importance of using this feature judiciously. Cash withdrawal on credit card. Cash withdrawal often surpass to charges on regular purchase for Axis Bank credit card. This rate is between 3% and 4% a month. This rate is applicable from the moment cash is withdrawn, continuous until the amount is fully repaid. Hence, cardholder must clear their dues properly each month to avoid frequently high interest rate, cash advance limit, wage credit card limit. You need to know a difference between your credit card cash advance limit and its credit card limit. Thanks for watching this video.